Hey everyone, and welcome to the Showstopper Shows, the Muster Bus show where you gotta subscribe. I have a friend, my next door neighbor, but he has dusk to dawn light bulbs because at night his bulbs just come on, actually at dusk, and then they turn off in the morning when the sun starts to come up. I've already installed them, as you can see now, right here. So what I'm going to do is I want to be, and here's the other side, up here. So I have two of these, so that's why I got two. And what my plan is to do is to make sure that these bulbs come on tonight or when dusk happens. Also, the disclaimer is they last about 10,000 hours, which it says that's about 9.1 years if done like 3 hours a night or something like that. I'm obviously gonna have these going about 8 hours of darkness during the summer. It's the fall or the winter time, it's gonna be even longer, more like 12-hour nights. So I'm expecting these to last anywhere from 2 to 3 years based on that. So I'm gonna keep a reminder and a record, and I plan to revisit this possibly in 2 to 3 years and let you guys know how they last. Oh, and real quick too, because somebody will probably ask the question, the light switch in the house is flipped up to the on position, but the bulbs are not. So that is where you keep them at all times. Da-da-da. There it is, daylight. So like I said before, my neighbor has his lights on too. So what we had a great idea of doing was trying to capture what time they both come on. So I turned the camera, as you guys saw, and this one, and my girl, we're getting ready for a yard sale. This one came on before this one. It came on right at 8:02, which was basically the time of day when the sun is setting. And that's what I got on my Apple time. And now this one came on at 8:05, so about 3 minutes difference. So, which I'm okay with. Those, as you saw in the video, came on at the same time. So we're just a few minutes off. But I like this, this is perfect. You can't really tell by the video, but that's like a soft, it's like a daylight light is what those lights are, 60 watts, which is what I had up there before. You can hear my sprinkler going here too. But so yeah, there we go. So I am excited about these, and I'm ready to come out in the morning, and they better be off. I'm not getting up at 5, but we are having a yard sale, so we'll probably be out here like at 6:30, so we'll see. But hey guys, there you go. So if you're thinking about getting a dusk to dawn light, I have the link for the ones that I have from Amazon for $10.99. That's all. He's got some kind of weird connection over there with his bulb too. It's like a different thing. It's got a switch on it, which is, I don't know how good that is, but these simply just sense the daytime and come and turn off. There we go. So hey, thanks for watching the Showstopper Shows. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook as well. May the force be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow in the show, because that's a wrap. We got light. The show stops here.